Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Apps Academy. In this video, I'm going to show you how to disable or delete the Google Lens application on your Android device. So let's get started right away. Now you will be able to disable the Google Lens application if it was already installed on your device as a stock application. In order to do this, locate the Google Lens application and then long press on it, and instead of the uninstall button, you will see the disable option. Just go ahead and tap on disable and you will be asked whether you are sure that you want to disable Google Lens. You can then tap on the disable option once again and this application will be disabled. However, if this application was not pre-installed on your device, then you will not see the disable option and instead you will see the uninstall option. You can tap on this if you wish to delete the Google Lens application from your system. And there you have it. That is how you can disable Google Lens on your Android device. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.